Greetings to one and all. I, Saksham Rajpal,
and I, Akshay Saxena, together with the student of class 12B have made this AQI tracker, Air Quality Index Tracker. Now why we have made this device? As you can see, nowadays in the morning, we have fog around us. To clarify whether it is really fog or just the vaporized state of H2O or it is the mixture of harmful gases which may cause disease.
how does it work? It can sense different gases like CO, CO2 and H2. Other than gases, it can also sense UV radiations. Now, how does the gas sensor work? The gas sensor contains heating elements which change their resistance whenever they come in contact with the necessary gases. It has an Arduino based microcontroller inside which works on the 16 MHz. The Arduino board collects the data from the sensors and then display it on the LCD screen.
The readings can be verified from the chart which tells the amount of each gas which is safer for us in the surroundings. We have also made another device called weather station which detects the amount of humidity and temperature in the atmosphere.
How does it work? It has a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor which senses the data from the environment, which is further processed by an ESP32 microcontroller which works on 240 MHz. The data which is processed by the ESP32 further is displayed on the 16:2 LCD display.
It also has a web version which is easy to access from smart devices like mobile phone, laptop, etc. with the help of a local Wi-Fi.
The blue LED is the power LED and the green LED indicates that the data is synchronized in the LCD screen correctly.
Now I would like to thank our dedicated teachers for recognizing our efforts and motivated us for building such devices. We are also thankful to respected Principal Sir for appreciating our work.